Okay, these are some of the macros in JavaScript that are given on Google Spreadsheet. I'm going to take you through some of the common syntax that they have used here. Since it's JavaScript, a lot of ways to make function and if else and everything remains common. This is the very first example that is given in the help, which converts meter to miles. As you see, it's all functions. The name of the function, the argument is just meters. If this is not number, then return null. This is the syntax of if statement. The number, not number, remain as it is. If it's number, then return meters divided by and divided by 621.31. Now, when you're using Google Sheets, you can call other Google apps also. So if you want to find out the distance between 2 points or 2 places, you can pass them on. So this is a function which is driving distance. The first parameter is a string, which is the starting address, and the second parameter is a string, which is destination address, and it returns a number, which is a distance in meter. When you look at it, we are using predefined get directions underscore, and then we say return root 0, like 0 distance comma value. These are some of the objects that we are using from Google Spreadsheet. If you remember in VBA, we can create custom menu. This is again a custom menu to create in Google Spreadsheet. If you look at it, the name of the function is anopen. Var spreadsheet is the first variable to get the active worksheet. Var menu item is equal to, then you have inverted comma, name generate step by step. This is the name of the menu item, and the function that you want to call is also generate step by step. You're going to look at the function later. Then you have spreadsheet.add menu, directions, and menu items. So this direction is in fact the heading that we are going to see in the menu, and the menu items would be the first one of them would be generate step by step, and the function I'm going to show you in the Excel. And this is set alternative background, and this is get direction. This get direction creates a new sheet, so it calls the other function that we created before that. It also uses Google Script Map Service. When you look at get direction, this is like a subroutine because it's going to create a new sheet. Let's see what it does. It defines first the direction finder object, then it gets a value into that. Then you have another direction. If it's 0, then it's not going to give anything. So that's the get direction. And this is set alternative row color. The function is set alternative row background color, range, odd color, even color. Var background is you first start with array for var equal to 1. If row is smaller than equal to range.getNum row plus plus, that's the for syntax. And then you have the column index, so you have one for loop into another for loop. If the remainder of row is 0, then push even color, else push odd color, and so on. So this is how it would work now. Is there something to